In this LMMS tutorial, I'm going to look at how to use MIDI keyboards on instrument tracks in LMMS. Welcome to Simple Green Tech. I'm Radio Zane, and on this channel, I do audio tech tips, tutorials, and reviews to help you unleash your creativity. Now, LMMS is a decent free DAW, but setting up your MIDI keyboard can be a little tricky at first if it doesn't get recognized by LMMS right away. So this LMMS tutorial is going to show you how to set up your MIDI keyboard and how to use it on instrument tracks in LMMS. I went over this a bit in my LMMS review video, and if you want to check out some more of LMMS's features, you should really check out that video. I'll link to it in the description below. There should also be a card up on the screen right now that you could click on and check that out if you like. But right now, let's jump into this LMMS tutorial. Before you start LMMS, be sure to plug in your MIDI keyboard. And once it's plugged in and installed, open up LMMS. Then go up to Edit, Settings, and you want to click on the MIDI keyboard looking image here. And then in the MIDI interface drop-down menu, you would want to click on your MIDI keyboard if it shows up here. And if it does, click on OK, and you're done. You can now go over and add your MIDI keyboard to the track there. If your keyboard did not show up there, you can't add it as a MIDI input on your instrument track, you'll need to download the free Midimapper from Coolsoft. I've put a link to it in the description below, and it's absolutely free. I didn't even need to sign up for anything, I just downloaded it. Once it's installed, you may be prompted to restart your computer. Do that if it asks you to, and then when you come back to Windows, open up LMMS. Now you can go up to Edit, Settings, click on the MIDI keyboard icon, and you want to choose WinMM MIDI here. And it may tell you that you need to restart LMMS, so we'll do that now. And now if we go to our instrument track and click on the gear icon here, we'll see in MIDI input, we have my KEYSTATION Mini 32 listed there. So now let's test that out, see if I can use it. There we go, it now works. And if I wanted to use this on another track, say I want to use it with this one, and then I stop using this one and I want to use it on a separate instrument. So I'll add another instrument here. So I have my other instrument loaded up. I'm clicked on it. And now if I play my MIDI keyboard, it still controls that other instrument. So what I need to do is go to the gear icon here, click on MIDI, Input, and then select my KEYSTATION Mini 32. And now when I play it, it's actually controlling both instruments. So I'll need to go back to this instrument here, go to MIDI, Input, and click on my MIDI keyboard again to remove it. And now when I play it, I'm only controlling the one instrument. So you can control multiple instruments in LMMS with a single MIDI keyboard at one time, which is pretty cool. You may want to do that at some point. Click this video up here if you want to check out some more of the best free DAWs, or click down here to see what YouTube recommends you watch next. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos from me. For Simple Green Tech, I'm Radio Zane, and we'll talk soon.